Welcome to the Introduction to Childhood Studies fully online. I look forward to learning with you this fall. I'm Dr. Eliason, and this is what our course looks like on Blackboard. So you enter the course here. The first thing you'll do is go over to the left menu and select Getting Started. Once you're in Getting Started, I assume you selected this button so that you're watching the video now. You'll scroll down and notice that you can find the textbook for the course here. Let's select that. When you get here, you have several options of accessing our textbook. You can do the text online, an iBook, view the text on your Kindle or Nook, or look at a PDF file and download that to your computer. I would recommend downloading it just to have in case. Let's just look at the online version. You'll see it here, and you'll be able to go through the text chapter by chapter as we learn this semester. The next place in the Getting Started section is the syllabus. You'll also notice a reading reflection form is here that we use during discussions, and if you have a question, you can ask it here. But let's go to the syllabus, and I'll give you the essential information you need to get started to learn in this course. This is my contact information at the top with the course description and the questions we explore. On page 2, you'll find how you will be assessed this semester. Participation is a 30% of your grade, so it's really essential that every week you go on and you earn those points. You'll earn them by, first of all, this week posting an introductory video, as well as changing your Blackboard profile picture, participating in 7 Blackboard discussions, 2 group Skype meetings with me. You'll complete 2 Blackboard surveys, and you'll have some peer feedback weeks as well. You'll complete an individual project. It's called Children Are Alike and Different. And you'll do a group project, which is presenting a poster at Universal Children's Day. You'll present the poster either in person or through a Flipgrid video. And then there is a final worth 5%, and it's a Blackboard test, a short answer, and you have the questions in advance. My policies in a nutshell, everything is available. This should be a no-cost course for you. Participation is required, and late assignments need to be approved. Computer or technical issues are not an excuse, and participation assignments are not accepted late. The learning outcomes and how I assess them are listed, as well as how to determine your final grade. Next, on pages 4, 5, 6, and 7, you'll see the calendar. I suggest using this as your guide. I added all of the assignments. The participation are in the purple color. The group work is in the red-orange color. And then when we get further down, you'll see the individual project in a green color. So each week, make sure that you post your discussion post on Monday, because if you do not post by Monday, you could post it Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, and by Monday is by Monday at 11:59 p.m., you will not receive any credit for the week. So you either need to participate by Monday or you lose the chance of earning points. I put reminders on the calendar to go online midweek, check in, do some replies. Don't wait until the last minute. Things may happen. Often on a Friday, Blackboard is not working properly because they're maintaining it. So make sure that you get your participation done earlier rather than later. Your group project you'll begin working on right away. You'll submit a proposal to me on Saturday, September 22nd. Then we'll arrange a group Skype at your convenience during the week of September 24th. You have a chance then to revise it. I'll read it again. And then you actually submit the document for grading on the 13th. So we'll be working on that together. The drafting process is helpful so that you can get your ideas down and be on the right track. Again, you'll see the assignments listed here. And there's the children are alike in different video. This is a speaking intensive course. That's why you have oral assignments as well as written. And this will take us into December. Your final will be due on December 12th. And the course ends on December 15th. I need to have your grades in by December 26th. Next on the syllabus, you'll find details for all of the assignments. So you can read through each week and learn what you'll need to do. I would take it week by week. Don't try to read and comprehend everything at this point in time. It will seem a bit overwhelming. I have grading rubrics for all of the assignments. They're listed here and they're available on Blackboard. Here's the reading reflection form you are welcome to use to compose your notes as you go through the weekly readings and to prepare for Blackboard discussion. I put a sample of what a discussion might look like on page 13. The Universal Children's Day project is described here. And in each step of the process, there's a graphic to show you what you'll do. So this is what's due on the 22nd. We Skype, you revise, you research, and you submit a final proposal, and then I grade it. Stage 2, same thing, and then grading, and then your final grade is listed here, the steps. Here's the children alike in different assignment. Your final, so here are all the questions that will be on your final and how I'll be grading your final. And then the policies. And this is really most essential, that successful students use tools, resources, and strategies available from the BSU Teaching and Technology Center. And if I select that, there are a lot of resources available, and I do recommend that you go through and look at this this first week so that you'll be successful in our class. And back to the syllabus. The other policy, the late policy, the discussions, you have to participate by Monday. And we'll scroll through this quickly. Resources available to you on campus. There are no options for extra credit. The late policy is here. Netiquette. Let's create a safe environment where we can politely agree to disagree. And I found I really haven't had an issue with people being nice to each other in my class. So I'm confident we'll have a very pleasant experience. Tech support is listed here. We use Blackboard 9. So go ahead and read through this and do not hesitate to ask questions. So after you've gone through the first section in getting started, you'll want to look at weekly content. Each week is listed in the course. For week 1, there's an overview, as there will be every week, that will tell you what to do. Here's the assignment. This is an assignment icon. This is where I will give you points for posting a Flipgrid introduction and changing your profile picture. This is a short video to show you how to change your profile picture. And Flipgrid introductions are here. I log in with Google, and you need to use your Bridgewater account, so the one that ends with student.bridgewater.edu. And here's where you'll post this. When I select this button, my webcam engages or my phone engages, and you can create a short video on Flipgrid and learn how to use the tool before you're graded on it later in the semester. And that will be your first week. Then you would be ready for week 2, where you'll do some reading. And this tells you what to read, what to do, how to use groups, and the video you'll be watching, the link to the discussion, which is your assignment for the week, and additional resources. I'm not going to go through each week. You'll do that on your own. Announcements are here. That's pretty straightforward. Your Universal Day group project is here. And you start by watching this. There are some resources available, and I'll keep adding to this as time goes on. I do not have the children alike and different available right now, but it will be by the end of the week. Your group assignment is listed here. When I select it, I don't belong to any groups, so nothing shows up. But if I go into I'll come back and go into teacher mode, I could show you what group, but your group that you're in, whether it be red, blue, yellow, orange, purple, will be listed here as long as with your group members. I suggest contacting your group members as soon as possible. My contact information is here, so you can email me, which is best. I get right back to you. Blackboard help, Blackboard resources, my grades. It's important to pay attention to those as the semester advances. The calendar will show you what's due when. All right. I'm going to just show you the groups quickly. They're listed, so when you open the group, it will tell you who is in your group, your tools, and when you have a group assignment, where to submit that assignment. So if I go here for my first draft, it's due on the 22nd. There's no points. I'll grade it at the end. It's a draft. And you can put your submission here for your group assignment. So please don't hesitate to ask questions. I'm available, and I look forward to learning with you. Have a great day. Thanks.